We finally got an AC unit. We were just dying out of heat. So in this occasion, this is the one that we decided to go for. The unit looks really nice. It has a lot of functions, and as you can see, it also blows air. So hopefully you can hear it. And this one you can connect with different ways. So let's just turn it off for a moment, and perfect. So now it comes with this over here that I believe is for the water, and then it has this to connect. In this occasion, our apartment complex does have a hose to put it there, so that's where we're gonna put it. But in case you didn't have this in your house, they do provide you with these parts to put it and install it on your window. So it comes with this and also with this. So these pieces are meant to be in your window, and you put them together, you install them, and that way the air comes from outside, or it doesn't come from outside. It transforms the hot air and kicks the hot air out. So this part goes over here with this one. So it fits perfectly fine, as you can see. So it fits perfectly, and then you can move it around. Also, that's a cool part too, that it has wheels, and you can move this around your house. It has this for water, and looks really nice. So we're gonna leave it here in the living room, but you can move it to the bedroom or any other place that you feel that you need to cool down the room. So that's the cool part about this one, that is portable, and it's a really nice investment. Also, it has a fan, and it's something that if you're looking for an AC unit, definitely this one is worth it. It also comes with these portable air conditioner instructions, the warranty, and it gives you all the instructions on how to use it, the control panel and operating. So it will tell you when the water is full, the swing, the catalog, and the timer and Wi-Fi that you can plug in. It has a timer, a Wi-Fi, an auto mode, a cool, and the humidifier option as well. Also the increase, fan, low, high, auto, and this one is for the mode, the speed, on and off. So as I told you before, these are the instructions to connect it to the window if that's the case, and the cutaway from the end of the opening. And these are all the pieces. Also, it can have the protector section filler, the outlet, everything is very nicely organized here, and it tells you all this over here, the window installation, the control operation, the Wi-Fi, the universal remote control, which is another thing. It comes also with this remote control, so you can, oh, this one I guess it doesn't have a battery, so I just have to add is two AAA batteries is what it uses. And then you can have the remote, and you can control the AC from wherever you are without having to stand up and control it. So that's also marvelous. And this is the house. I'll put it over here.